What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the Z06. I ordered the transmitter and it should be coming in within the next 2 weeks. I was hoping that it would be in before I had to produce a new video, but long story short, it's coming from China, so we're gonna have to wait a few weeks before I'm able to get the transmitter, bind it with the receiver, and get it going. On another note, I do have the RC4GS receiver that came in. Just flip it around. So that goes with this guy here. So I just need to find what I'm going to put that in, bind it, and hopefully everything will be everything. But we'll have to stay tuned to see what I'm going to actually put this with. Not quite sure yet, but anyway, if you see this 3D printer over there, trying to use this newly acquired 3D printer to print a RCP bridge from my RCP tracks, and took me a couple hours to assemble this guy. And then I had some issues with the Z-axis, and I had some issues with the STL files, but doing some research online, come to find out that the Ender doesn't use STL files, or it doesn't recognize them. You have to convert them to G code. So I did some more research online, and I had to download this program called Cura, which converts the STL files into G code files. And long story short, I am working on printing part 1 of my RCP track. Okay, so this right here is the 2-tile bridge. It's basically the RCP bridge timer for the easy lap system, and basically I'm starting on this component right here. That's what's going to be starting to print in a few minutes once the tray heats up and then the nozzle heats up and things of that nature. So this was an STL file, and I had to download this application here to convert it to a G code file and then save it in yeah, a lot of processes you had to do to get this Creality Ender 3 version 2.2 going, but it sounds like it's starting to print now. So let me take you guys back out there. The filament's not sticking, so that's another problem I'm having. So basically I'm back to square one. I have to stop it and see why it's not sticking, but hopefully I'll get it going, and once I do, I'll let you guys see the process. So that's newly acquired for noprosrc. Not sure if I'm going to keep it because I've been having some issues with it. So yeah, hopefully we can, well, not the transmitter, hopefully we can get the receiver in within the next few weeks, hopefully before Thanksgiving, and we can give this guy a run and see how she does. So until then, I will see you guys on the next one. Y'all be easy. This has been a brief update. Peace.